Alright, so hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is good and I hope that your exam went well. Now, this is specifically for those aspirants who are preparing for RBI Grade B 2026. Now, this is a kind of good news for all of you, right? Now, I know that most of the people will be very confused, like if they should start preparing for 2026 or not. And if they need to prepare or if they should start preparing for 2026, then from where material, what kind of material we should get, from where to get, and what are the sources that are actually needed here, right? So I know that most of the people will be having this doubt in their mind. So for solving that, now we are launching one preparation kit for all of you that is all free of cost, right? You people need not to pay even a penny for it, right? So now when I talk about the preparation kit, why I'm considering it very special for all of you here? As I told you, content is specifically, the clarification on the content is actually very, very important. So what you're going to get in this free, preparation kit? Remember, you're the one who's going to get complete guide in this preparation kit only, which is going to include a number of PDFs. As in total, you people will be getting 10 PDFs and that too completely free of cost. What it includes? The first includes banking terms as well as financial terms and terminologies also, which are actually very important from the examination perspective. Next thing that you're going to get is, the one thing which gives you actually clarification about your exam. What is that? That is PYQs. So I tell you every time, before you start preparing for any of the exam, it is actually very important to decode syllabus and then to jump towards the PYQs also. Try to decode them as well so that you get to know what is the trend and how to analyze them as well. Okay, this is the second PDF. Third PDF, you will be getting of budget highlights of 25-26 है, right? उसके साथ साथ अगर मैं यहाँ पे ग्रेड बी की बात करूँ, सो यू रिमेंबर वी टुक इंटरव्यू ऑफ मेनी ऑफ द एस्पिरेंट्स है, राइट? उसमें से एक जो एस्पिरेंट थे हमारे जो AIR1 थे, we discussed with this thing before as well. We are going to share his notes with all of you, so that is also a special part. You will get to know how toppers makes notes and how you people need to make your notes as well, right? So it's a complete guide for all of you. Next, we are having 60 plus model ESI and FM descriptive answers also. So you're going to get clarity on that as well, that if you sit and start writing your answers, what is the framework that you're going to make there, right? How it should be framed, everything related to that. उसके साथ साथ you people already know that in phase 1 QRE plays a huge important role. So yes, quants and reasoning formula ebook is also getting provided to all of you here. 20 model essays for RBI grade B will also be provided. उसके साथ साथ top 500 GA MCQs and 120 plus management MCQs will also be provided to you. And whatever you are going to get here in this particular kit, this is fully oriented towards this RBI grade B only. It means with the proper filtration, you people will be getting data of it. Now the question arises how you people will be able to get this preparation kit. So the link will be given in the description box. You people need to click on that particular link and this kind of pop-up will arise in your screen, right? This kind of pop-up will be there. Now you can clearly see it includes many of the PDFs, as in total you people will be getting 10 PDFs. This is just a glimpse of it. And these are the PDFs which are going to give you clarity on how or what kind of aspects are there in the examination. So I'm not at all saying that this is a full guide or these are the kind of PDFs which will help you in excel your exam. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ यही आप यूज करके ही आप जो है एग्जाम नहीं क्रैक करोगे. बट हाँ, ये जो है एक कोर पार्ट है. जब आप स्टार्ट करते हो प्रिपरेशन, उससे पहले गोइंग थ्रू और मे बी एनालाइजिंग इन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज एक्चुअली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So just consider it as a very important part of your syllabus, because this is not something which is written there. These activities are actually not written there. But this is something which you people need to practice before you start preparing for the static portion as well, right? So that is something which is super important. So I hope you people will click on in the description, you people will go in the description section, section, you people will be clicking on the link and you people can, have an access of these, PDFs, as in these PDFs which we people are going to share with all of you. And I'm very hopeful that this actually helps you all, right? Having any doubt, you people can just mention in the comment section and of course I'll address that up. Thank you so much.